Why do we call these oyster crackers?
They're crackers and they went in the ocean.
These are actually processed from the shells of oysters. These succulent, sodium-filled crackers are. So once the oyster is taken out, they then break down the shell and compact it to dust and then make these wonderful crackers from it. If we wonder why they taste so good in our soup.
Because ice cream doesn't have any bones.
What do you think, buddy? Oh. He says he thinks that they're called, or she thinks that they're called oyster crackers because people have to scuba dive down into the sea and pull them up for their fine richness and texture.
They're called oyster crackers because you use those crackers. Okay, you take the oyster or the clam and you open it up and you get your oyster out and you put the oyster on that little cracker and you can put some like tartar sauce and like some of that red sauce, maybe like some Nabisco. I don't even think that's right, but anyways, you put your little sauces with the oyster on the cracker and then you swallow it down. And it's small like that, so the oyster and the cracker are about the same consistency. BAM!
Well, those are called oyster crackers because if you very, very, very carefully crack them in half, you find a very small pearl. Shh, don't tell anyone.
They're called oyster crackers because the oysters are secretly in charge of the company. And they have just been, like, mass producing these oysters to slowly rule the world.
The question is because they're shaped like oysters.